Good afternoon and welcome to beautiful sunny Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle. I'm here today to show you one of our latest listings, this beautiful 2006 G58 Baron, November 16 Papa Victor. Step in, let's have a closer look. November 16 Papa Victor is a beautiful G58 Baron. This airplane was located out in California and it was on a single pilot 135 operation. Very important to have the maintenance done for these aircraft, operated and maintained to 135 standards. This airplane has 3,280 hours total time since new. We have one engine that has around 580 hours total time since new, and then this engine has 25 hours since new. The owner always put new engines on this airplane when they were due, and again, maintained to Part 135 standards. This is a known ice airplane, so we have boots, we have hot props, and a heated windshield segment as well. One of the many benefits of flying the Baron 58 is we now have a nose baggage compartment. You can see here we can put up to 300 pounds inside of here. It's great for duffel bag and small carry-on luggage types. You can also put a small golf bags in here as long as you take the drivers out. And you'll notice here we have the spring thing. This really holds it in place even in windy conditions. Again, November 16 Papa Victor has the known icing package that includes de-ice boots. These boots are in very good condition. We also have the long-range tanks. Down there we have around 190 gallons of fuel and around 200 knots. You're about 800 nautical miles downrange with IFR reserves. The paint on November 16 Papa Victor is in beautiful condition. This is DeSoto white top with ethereal blue bottom. We have regimental blue and black stripes. Beautiful condition. Another reason that pilots buy the G58 Baron is for the big double cargo doors. You can see here we have flexible seating. Right now is in club seating configuration. The middle seats here can actually turn around. It takes about 5 minutes once you've done it a couple of times. If you have passengers that don't want to fly backwards, you can turn those around. These rear seats here, no tools needed. We can simply fold this up. There's a latch in the back to hold that in place in case you need a little extra room. As we step inside November 16 Papa Victor, you're going to find a beautiful interior. You can see here we have tan leather seating, very nice table and wood grain interior here. The windows are in beautiful condition. The overhead, the headliner is in beautiful condition. The carpet looks really nice. I've got my own light, my own WeMac for fresh air. I've got input for music as well. I've got my USB ports here to keep everything charged up. We have also 6-place plumbed oxygen here. You don't see that in a lot of the Barons. And you know, what a great way to travel. This airplane's in beautiful condition. We have a great G1000 instrument pedal on November 16 Papa Victor. Again, this one has been WAAS and synthetic vision upgraded. We have the Garmin GTX 330 ES for our ADS-B out. We have active traffic through the L3 Skywatch active traffic system. We have the Garmin GWX 68 color weather radar. We have Garmin GDL 69 XM weather. We have the WX500 Stormscope displayed on the multifunction display. And we have the Garmin GFC 700 flight control system. The extras you'll enjoy on November 16 Papa Victor include spring thing, Garmin synthetic vision, factory air conditioning, known ice package, Garmin FliteCharts, terrain awareness, GDL 69 weather, internally lighted instruments, co-pilot brakes, long-range fuel, cabin door steward, executive writing desk, and much more. If you're in the market for a G58 Baron, make arrangements to come and see November 16 Papa Victor, Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. This airplane only has 3,280 hours total time since new, 575 and 25 hours on brand new engines. This airplane has it all: G1000 avionics, Garmin Autopilot, air conditioning, known icing condition. Give us a call, Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm Brian Tuttle, and thanks for watching.